In the heart of Maplewood, a blanket of snow wrapped the town in warmth, promising adventures to come. Among the towering oaks, three playful souls found joy and laughter, their bond as strong as the roots beneath them. What they thought to be a mere stream enticed them with its ethereal glow, promising secrets hidden beneath the chocolate surface. A gasp echoed through the air as one of them tumbled, vanishing into the swirling abyss, leaving the others scrambling in shock. In a world sweeter than dreams, where candy cane trees swayed in caramel winds, they realized the entrapment of their adventure. With hearts as courageous as warriors, they embarked on their quest, each step drawing them closer to the unknown path they must tread. Trials lurked at every turn, from treacherous marshmallow sands to bridges of licorice, daring them to prove the strength of their bond. As light danced on the golden prize beneath the sugar cascade, hope bloomed in their hearts, victory's sweet taste close at hand. Laughter tinkled in the air as a mischievous sprite teased, the key disappearing with a wink, leaving them lost but not defeated. Amidst swirling caramel magic, the fairy unveiled the hidden truth that the key to their freedom was the bond they forged, unbreakable and pure. In an embrace as warm as the sun, the trio understood the magic they possessed, a portal opening to a home filled with love and unity. Through cheers and tears of reunion, they returned, hearts aglow with newfound wisdom, the chocolate land's lessons etched in their souls.